Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to close a position on Robinhood. So you first need to go to the stocks detail page and select trade and then select sell. And you need to choose your order type. So either it's a market, it's a limit, or a stop limit order. Whatever order type it was, select that. And now you need to enter your order details, including the number of shares that you want to sell. Then just go ahead and review order and you confirm your details. And then you just swipe up to submit your order. That is how, guys, you can go ahead and close a position on Robinhood. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.